that EPRI is trying to establish a common language, for example, when we talk about data center flexibility or other technical topics.
National Grid has been quite fortunate to partner with EPRI on a number of data center related initiatives, and within the DC Flex project we're going to explore Compute Flex in the context of the Mosaic framework.
We have some collaborations with EPRI. We are working on the radar project, which was launched after the Iberian blackout. We also are working on the stability and protection program. Data centers, storage, and the transmission operations are really subjects of interest.
It's been very interesting to hear what the other partners from the industry are talking about, that we have similar concerns, similar challenges.